Hi, I'm Gerald Bruce Lee, class of 1973, School of Communications at American University. WCL, American University Washington College of Law, class of 1976. And honorary just SJD degree, 2003. I'm a triple eagle and proud member of the American University Washington College of Law community. I am a retired United States District Judge of Eastern District of Virginia, a former Fairfax Circuit Court judge, and a proud eagle. I attended American University undergraduate school and had the good fortune to work for a program called Youth Black Pride Incorporated. I met a guy named Marion Barry. His personal lawyer was a guy named Herb Reed. And Herb Reed was a powerful lawyer who represented Representative Adam Clayton Powell in a case where Adam Clayton Powell, the congressman, had been excluded from Congress. And Herb Reed assembled a team of lawyers to challenge that before the Supreme Court of the United States, and he won. And so any pearls he dropped in those meetings with Marion Barry, I was listening, and I thought, one day maybe I should be a lawyer, because lawyers could be the champion for their clients and take on powerful causes. And I landed at American University because I attended undergraduate school here, and in the old days, I had an interview with Professor Anthony Morella, Professor Smalls, and after that, they let me in. The foundation of my legal career as a lawyer, as a judge, was instilled in me by my professors. I can remember vividly sitting in the classrooms and Professor Elliot Milstein telling us about social responsibility and responsibility as lawyers we have to seek justice, which is a term you don't hear very much in law school. And I had other professors like Anthony Morella, who taught us constitutional law, taught us about how the Constitution worked, and he gave it life the way he taught. And so I knew in my heart of hearts that one day I wanted to be involved in law practice in that way. The American University Washington College of Law is located in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. And if you want to be a lawyer, wouldn't you want to be where the laws are made? Wouldn't you want to be where the Supreme Court is located? Wouldn't you want to be where things happen that have global impact? And wouldn't you want to be a part of that? And our community is composed of lawyers, law professors, and scholars who touch the globe. Claudio Grossman is always flying around the world doing things at the International Court of The Hague. He's doing things in South America and taking students with him. Wouldn't you want to be a part of that? We have professors here who have clinics that go into courts in D.C. Superior Court in Montgomery County and go into clerkships and internships. It's all right here. You want to intern for a senator? You want to be right here. And as I said a moment ago, the education you get is first rate. We compete with lawyers from around the world, and we do so on a daily basis, and we're armed with all the information and the training we get here at American University Washington College of Law. It's not Harvard on the Potomac. We are American University's Washington College of Law, and we're distinctive in that way, that we champion causes, we champion what matters, and we stand for justice. That's why you should come here. Dean Grossman came to me because I had served on the WCL Dean's Advisory Council for like 15 years. He said, I'd like for you to consider going to the Board of Trustees. I had no idea what all that meant, but I met with Gary Abeson, the chair of the board, and President Kerwin, and I was persuaded I had some value to offer to the Board of Trustees. What's it like? It's like being a trustee of a big higher education enterprise and seeing it all in a bird's eye view, the whole big picture. Remember, I went to undergraduate school here and the law school, and so I get to see all the schools, all the many aspects of running a big community, and that's what this is. It's a microcosm of America, and the trustees are responsible for making sure that we operate in a way that's sustainable, complies with all laws, and also that we're attractive and that we're sustainable in higher education, which is a big deal right now. I believe to whom much is given, much is required. And when I attended American University undergraduate school and law school, I was a recipient of scholarships and aid. And I know how much a difference that made for me to be able to afford to go to school here. It helped me be able to pay for books. It helped me be able to pay tuition and to create a platform for the things that took place in my career, becoming a lawyer, becoming a judge. it transformed 3 generations in my family once I got my education. And so whatever I can do to give back, and that's my presence, helping people get jobs, and our treasure, those are the things that I think we can all do. The expression is, nobody can do everything, but everybody can do something. For me, the best part of my life was meeting a future alum of American University Washington College of Law. I was at a program at Georgetown. She was on her way to American University Law School, and this woman stepped to the podium to introduce Mr. Coleman. I don't know who he was or what he said, but I wanted to know who that was who was going to my law school. And I introduced myself to her, and I became one of her mentors. She became a law clerk for a federal judge, a prominent lawyer in her own right, and one of the top family law practitioners in the area. And together as a couple, there's nothing we can't do and nothing we don't do to help give back. And Ed and I were just talking about giving back to the law school and what it means to us.
We know from where we came, and to be where we are is because others gave to us. American University, the Washington College of Law, gave to us both, and we want to in turn do that for others. It's life transformative.